Alrighty. Why is it such a mess in here? What the what? Hi, Irv! Hi!
Ah!
Hi!
Hi!
Ow! Why are you throwing the barrels? This isn't good.
Because I can't.
You're
You
making
can't
a
do
mess.
anything about it.
But still, you're making a mess. Stupid.
Nuh-uh.
They're supposed to be in
I'm
order for a
playing.
reason.
This is the whole purpose of a daycare.
Yeah, but you're not a kid. You're a full
Okay.
adult lady. Or animatronic. I don't know what you are. You're just like... Man, you got force. Anyways, So, how are you doing, I guess?
Right,
I'm bright like a diamond. I'm bright like a diamond.
why are you like this?
I don't know. I like being like this. Ask the creator. Or somebody. I don't really know about the creator.
I don't think the creator's alive anymore.
Just shut up. We don't
You
talk
shut up.
about that. We don't talk about that. Anyways, so, where have you been? Because I haven't seen you. I was bothering Vanessa the other day, or week, I don't know, and I haven't seen you at all. Where have you been?
I don't know. I've been stuck in parts and service for, like, over 80 hours.
80, 24, 48. I forgot how much 48 equal. Been there for like over the 2 days. After I've been bothering Vanessa, I've just been hearing strange sounds. I don't know what they are. They're annoying though. Even some kids complained about it. They said it sounded like a leaky faucet or something. Whee!
Oh.
I don't know what it's been. So, I'm gonna try exploring it because I don't like kids being bothered by those stupid sounds. Whee!
Is it your insides or something? Because
What?
I heard Vanessa talking about how much she's gonna hate having to clean out your organs.
I don't have organs. Do I?
Oh.
Do I have organs?
Do you?
I don't know. It's just that theory. Where's some glitter glue at?
I don't think you need any more glitter glue.
What? I can test this out, okay? It's gonna be
some.
perfect. No! You can't drink
This
it.
is bad! You can't have this because it'll hurt you. Can you stop with the annoying booping?
No, it's my booping, and I like to keep it how it is. And can I have my glitter glue back? I'll give you a Monty plushie.
Okay.
Alright, here. Come on. Show you where they're at.
Alright. Yay!
You can get the Monty plushie, and I get my glitter glue. Why are you so much faster than me?
I don't know.
There. I won't tell anyone that you take it. Oh, of course you want the big one.
Shut up!
Why do you find that out of everything an old model attractive? She's
How do you
pretty.
find that attractive?
I don't find that attractive. I just say it's pretty.
Sure.
I don't want
We'll go
blue
with that.
flavor. I want yellow flavor.
Glitter glue has flavors?
What color is that? What color is this? That's yellow. Okay, I'm gonna put it in there.
Glitter glue has flavors? Son.
Hey! I was drinking that.
Chill. That's kind of gross. That's like really gross, actually.
How is it gross? It's good.
You're weird.
You're weird.
No, I'm not. You take it back.
I'm sorry.
I'm not weird. You're the weird one. You're drinking literal glitter glue. That's toxic.
To humans.
Look, I'll read. Oh. My bad.
My glitter glue.
I accidentally threw it. That was unintentional, I swear.
My glitter glue. My glitter glue.
What does it even say on the back?
I don't know. Fazbear made it.
It says it's toxic. You can't have this.
Where does it say that? Tell me, where does it say that?
Like, right here, in big bold letters, it says it's toxic. No!
This is mine now.
Give it back!
No!
Mine!
Oh,
Mine!
wait. Wait, Earth, I got an idea. Wait. And so, you know how earlier I was talking about like the weird sound thing? What if we try to explore what that is? Or I can at least show you some places that you haven't been. Like the theater.
Alright,
Come on, let's go. Alright, come on, Earth.
what's this place?
This is a theater. This place is very old.
It smells like nachos. I don't like it.
You don't like nachos? Well, we'll look behind you. If you don't like it, then look behind you. They have a trash can of that guy. Because he's trash.
Oh yeah, well they have, all the other characters are trash too then.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Yep. Anyways. There's not a lot here, to be honest. I mean, you could watch TV. Oh, it's dark. Oh, I glow in the
It's
dark.
really dark in here.
I glow in the dark. That's cool.
Yeah, that is cool.
You got a theater. I think it's for like acting. I don't really know, to be honest.
I think it's a
don't
movie
know.
theater.
What's a movie?
I don't know. But I
Alright.
see, like, Barbie movies all the time, so I think that's what it's
I
for.
remember some kid talking about it. Apparently, it's like really good because they showed me the dolls and they showed me it, and it looks so cool. Like,
I know! I
wanna
love the
admit-
Barbie
okay.
movie.
next time we should probably watch it. Like, that sounds fun watching
Yeah.
the Barbie movie.
And then you gotta teach me how to play Minesweeper because you keep talking about that.
It's a good game. So basically, it's about like these like thingamabobbers. I don't know what they are. They're like little mines, and your goal is to make sure you put flags on the mines. It's really fun.
Your tongue glows in the dark.
That's cool.
Yeah.
You don't. And you got this ugly thing. I don't know
Neither
who
does
this
Monty,
is.
sadly.
Vanessa
Who
didn't
is
tell me
that?
who this guy is. I don't know. It looks like a fox. Oh
It
wait,
looks like
I
Swiper.
remember some kid told me that they cosplayed as that guy. Okay, you want to see something
yeah.
really cool though?
Yeah.
Really cool. So look, Thing Nothing's here. Whoosh.
Well,
Secret room.
That's cool.
You know where this leads to? My
No?
bedroom. Me and
Your
Moon's
bedroom?
bedroom. Yeah.
Huh.
We go in.
I thought you just
You-
slept, like, everywhere. Like, in the
You
ball
kinda
pit.
do.
I didn't know
You
you...
kind of do. But here's a warning before you go in. You may see a headless map bot.
Why is there a headless map bot?
When Moon was still here, he crashed out.
Hey. I guess he really did like tic-tac-toe then, huh? Oh, dang.
Yeah, it's kind of messy in here.
Ew!
Yeah, there's two of them. It's very.
Your
very
room
messy
is
in here.
nasty!
We don't clean it. I haven't been up here in a while.
Yeah.
Oh, the sound seems to be coming from in here. What? What is it?
What's that?
What's what?
Look. Just look!
Moon?
Who's that?
That's Moon. He wasn't here earlier. What the what? Okay, come on. Let's go. Let's go in. Come. Okay, this thing's so hard to fit. Is he dead or something? Moon? You okay over there?
Yeah.
So, Moon?
What is he doing in here?
I don't know.
I don't know this guy.
This is my brother, Moon. He wasn't in here a few days ago.
He's kind of ugly, not gonna lie. You sure this is your brother? Okay, my fault.
I'm offended. But still,
I'm
yeah.
sorry! Wrong timing! I'm sorry.
The sound seems to be coming from in here. Apparently, but maybe that's...
Is he alive?
I don't know. I think he's alive. I think he's just broken. Still
Or powered off.
Yeah, I think...
Should we get him to parts and service?
Yeah, probably. Because,
We could probably get, like, Vanessa to help or something.
yeah. Oh, look, there's the other half to that map bot.
Huh. I don't like how it's staring at me. Anyway.
Still, oh, there's the head.
Why is he bug-eyed?
I don't know, but
Anyways, still.
we should probably get him to the parts of service or something. Okay, help me
Yeah,
pick him up. He's kind of heavy.
but
He has the same
who's
weight
gonna
as
hold
me.
Monty? No!
Keep him in the corner. Help me. Still, help me. Come on. Help me lift him up.
Alright.
Help me lift his big back self up. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's just a moon. He's probably okay. It doesn't mean Vanessa's coming. I'll be fine. It's just fine. Moon's dead. That's not good because I have to be alone again. I don't want to deal with that. That's even worse for me. Okay, just calm on. Just
What's
wait for
going
this stupid.
on?
Oh, hi, Vanessa. Uh, well, me and Earth were investigating something, and we found Moon. He's not around, and he's been making like sounds, and I'm just a bit worried because he's been missing, and all that,
Yeah.
If he's right over there, me and Earth dragged him onto the thing.
Hmm.
I don't really know what's wrong with him.
Can he
He
not
just,
power on or anything?
I didn't try to power. Me and Earth didn't try to power him on. It's just because we don't really know how to do that type of stuff well. I just didn't know what to do, so I got her to call you up, and she had to go do her own thing. Only look at the
Hmm.
stupid Moffy plushie. But
What?
still, nothing. Just wondering if you could try helping, since you're like kind of a mechanical person, I guess. I don't really know a lot about things like that.
Yeah. I could try.
All right. Okay. Still kind of worried, I don't really know what happened. He's been like gone for like weeks ever since that last checkup we
How
did.
long has he been gone for?
When was the last time we did that like checkup thing with me,
Uh,
you, and him?
I think it was like September or something.
Yeah, well, yeah, since then, I guess.
Huh.
It's like what, November now? I don't know.
I think so, I don't know. It was before Halloween, that's what I know.
Yeah,
Um,
I don't really know what's wrong
do
with
you
him.
know what happened? Like, did he say
No,
anything? Or did he just
no, me and
vanish?
Earth were just walking around. I was showing her around, showing her, our definitely clean room. And then we went into Moon's area that was also definitely clean. And then they just found him on the floor, not really making like mechanical noises and yeah, all that.
Hmm.
So we just dragged him here and didn't know what to do.
Yeah, he seems very buggy.
Uh, is he like dead or powered off or whatever?
No, he's not dead. I think he's just like powered off.
Okay.
Hmm. Doesn't seem like his voice is working properly though from
What?
the scan. His voice module could be broken.
Oh, that's not good.
Yeah. Um,
So he's not gonna speak?
I think he's out of battery or something like that for now. Or like
Oh,
out of don't think his power thing is working. I could do the switch I did from back in the thing. But anyway, he is gonna. It's gonna be a bit before he powers on, I think.
all
But
right.
he should be fine.
Is
I
that the
don't
only thing
think
that's
we
wrong with
have.
him? Is his voice?
I think so, at the
Okay.
very least. I think, but if he starts to act weird, please let me know.
All right. What do you mean by weird though? Like,
Like glitching out, malfunctioning, and such.
all right. So basically, like electrical things, not like
Yeah.
emotional stuff. Okay.
Well, yeah, you should be okay here in a couple of hours.
Oh, okay. Thanks for helping or
No
doing the thing.
problem.
All right. Nothing in there. The room's definitely
I'm going to be
normal.
checking your room after this, or have someone.
No, wait,
Maybe
no. You don't need to check it.
I
You
might
don't need
send
to check it.
Glim Time a little bit up there to check for me or something, because I
You
have
don't
to
need it
do
to be
stuff.
checked. There's nothing in there. Definitely no missing mat bots or security bots or anything. Anyways.
You're the
No,
reason,
you
aren't
didn't.
you?
You didn't hear nothing. You didn't hear nothing.
Okay.
You did not hear nothing. But still, thanks for trying to help. Or help. I don't know. Not trying. Whatever.
You're welcome, I guess.
Okay, give me a small panic attack. Even though I
Yeah.
can't really panic. I
No,
thought he was
has
dead.
Earth been acting weird?
No. She's told me you gave her like a checkup a few days ago. I don't remember what she said.
Alright.
She hasn't been acting weird at all. She's been acting her normal, happy self.
Alright. That's
She's been
good, I
sleeping over
guess.
Monty.
Maybe you should take away her plush abilities or, like, take them away.
I mean, I threw one plushie off of the room thing into the ball pit.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't, I don't, I don't like the fact that she's tripping over a plushie.
Hmm. But also, you drink glitter glue, so I think now you guys
No,
are.
no, I don't. No, I don't. Who told you
Also,
that? I definitely
after
don't.
he's fixed, I want you in here after he's done all that stuff so I can clean out your systems, okay?
No. Oh my. That's just still.
I know that Glam Time Lolbit also likes to eat weird stuff that she finds, so maybe you guys could be friends or something.
Maybe. Wait,
Yeah.
I don't eat weird stuff I find.
Yes, you do.
Where's
Yes.
proof of
You do.
that?
I literally have video recordings, security recordings from the office and the moldy donut incident. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Anyways, I
You're
just
not
go back to the daycare, or should I stay here with him? Like, what should I do? I don't really know what to do, to be honest. Still a stressful thing
uh
going on.
um you can do whatever, I guess. Just as long as you don't keep eating the freaking glitter glue.
What about
Through
stuff?
the toolbox.
Boredom, and also there was like this like metal can thing. I don't know what it was. Had this like black like liquid. It was like thick and like I don't know what it was, so I
It's
drank it.
either oil or black spray paint.
Oh, spray paint's like wait, don't I have? Did I
Spray
just
paint is
wait?
bad, don't even try it.
That was oil. Does that mean I just? Ew! It's
Congratulations, you're
gross.
a cannibal.
What's a cannibal?
Eating. So you know how, like, you're made out of metal and oil?
Yeah,
If you eat anything that has the same stuff that you have, you're considered a cannibal.
I ate a wrench once.
Okay. Alright.
What am I not supposed to eat?
Yeah. I think
But
Danielle drew the weird lightning bolts. Hmm.
oh yeah, but definitely looking at that. Definitely not looking at the good-looking container on the table.
That's gasoline, I think.
Let me drink what
Is
I
it?
want to drink.
No! It's bad.
Why not? You're not my mom. If I have a mom, I don't
What?
know. Oh. Anyway, I'm just gonna go back to the daycare though. See ya, I guess.
Alright. See ya. I'll work on moon and such.